In this video, I will show how to show 0 as a nil in Excel. So guys, if you need to hide 0 values, you can use this format and this code. So we can see we have some 0 here. So to change this number 0 in nil and you want to hide, so you can use this setting. Select your data, then right click and format cells. Now here select number, then custom. Now here you need to type this code 0 and semicolon minus 0, then semicolon. Now double quote, write the nil, again double quote. Now semicolon and type the 8 using shift and number 2 key on your keyboard. So write this code, then click on OK. So this way we can change and we can hide 0 into nil. If you double click, so you can see here is the 0. And also if you make anyway 0, so it will change into nil, or you will write any another letter, so still it will change into 0. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.